Today we have CM Punk versus Randy Orton and Brock Lesnar. This is a triple threat match. 3, 2, 1, ding, ding. Randy Orton is staying out of this for a second. Okay. Randy Orton taking control of CM Punk and Brock Lesnar. Oh! My God, Brock Lesnar moved out the way for no reason. Now Brock going on top ropes. He's going on the second one just to make sure. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, he beats it. CM Punk saved it. CM Punk. Oh, Brock Lesnar overtakes it. He's going. Oh my God, Brock Lesnar. He's going. Oh! And 1, 2. Oh, he kicked out. CM Punk getting up. Oh. CM Punk. They're both down. CM Punk. Oh my God. CM Punk is going for it. Will he do it? Double A! 1, 2. He kicked out. Brock Lesnar kicked out. CM Punk will have to do stuff in his own hands now. Yes, CM Punk. And look at this. Oh my God. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Here's your winner, CM Punk. And this has been a good match, but CM Punk took the win.